Good morning. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I am at the office. Y'all, I did not come up here yesterday. It was Labor Day yesterday. I was on my little staycation and then I just ended up staying at home, doing laundry, getting the house in order and everything like that for the school week this week. So I'm here now. I just finished testing out this shirt here. So it is an applique design that I made. I feel like I still need to play around with this word here. It looks okay on camera, but in person it looks a little funny. And then I did add a sleeve. You guys, I saw Marilyn do this where she added something to a short sleeve, and I never thought to do that. I've had a sleeve hoop for some months, but I was waiting for it to get, kind of colder so I could do the sleeves on like sweatshirts and hoodies and stuff. And I saw Marilyn do it from Making with Marilyn on a short sleeve, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's a very cute idea. So I gave it a try. Shout out to Marilyn. And this is the sleeve, and it turned out super, super cute, y'all. I love it. Of course, I love it. I love it. I love it. But I have to record a video today. I'm gonna write on my whiteboard just to make sure I am staying on task with everything I need to do. You're gonna see me kind of finishing out this shirt a little bit, and then like I said, I do have to record a video, so that's what I am doing today. Good morning, and I think today is, what's today? Wednesday? I think today is Wednesday. This week my days are so off because of Labor Day. But anyways, I am at Hobby Lobby. I am about to pick up a speedball screen printing set for a video I'm gonna record. I need a couple other things. I need some stencil. I'm gonna look at the fabric. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna go shopping at Hobby Lobby. I'm here for a specific thing, but I am gonna look around the whole store pretty much. All right, so I am back from Hobby Lobby. I spent like $170, but a good portion of that was stuff for my house, so like home decor. So let me show you the stuff I got for crafting. I got some permanent vinyl. I got the cheaper brand. This was only $5 per, so $10. And I got them in the pink and in the yellow. These are my brand colors. So I was thinking about putting this on my whiteboard, like creating stencils with my name and then like the days, so that I don't have to like write it or handwrite it or always, erase it. A couple people from last week made that suggestion, and I thought it was a really good idea. So I did pick up some pink and yellow vinyl. I don't know if I'm going to get to it this week, but eventually I do want to try to make some designs for my whiteboard with this vinyl. So I grabbed that. For my speedball project, my screen printing, I had to get some stencils. So I got some stencil. Again, this is the Hobby Lobby brand, so it was only $5.50. And then I got some strong grip transfer tape. And then, you guys, ever since I started embroidering like anytime I find this little faux leather patterns, I really like, I'm in love with it. So this is what I saw at Hobby Lobby. I thought it was super, super cool to make something like for Levi. It's super thin, so I don't remember the name of the exact material, but it kind of feels like faux leather on the front. On the back, it's really soft and it's really thin as well, so it's not super thick. But I got 2 of these. I thought this was a really cool pattern, so I'm gonna think of something to make for Levi. And then you guys, I ordered from Sweet and Sassy Blanks. I still don't have my order. I ordered over a month ago. I still haven't received my order, and I reached out to them and I still haven't received a response. So I don't know what's going on, but I had ordered some of this vinyl from them because I wanted to do a dinosaur design, and I still haven't received it. So I found some at Hobby Lobby and I picked it up, but yeah, I don't know what's going on with my order, why I haven't received it. I ordered that, today is September the 3rd, and I ordered that back in July. So it's been over a month and I still haven't received it. And they're not responding to my emails either. So I may just have to dispute the charge, but that's really unfortunate because I like that company. Anyways, I picked up a screen, just something to do some shirts, which is a speedball screen. And then I picked up some like fall inspired or fall colored shirts for the video I'm going to record. So I got yellow, red, this kind of like beige color, and orange. And then I got the speedball ink, and I already have a squeegee. So that's going to be the next video I record. It's going to be a speedball project, but yeah, so that's all the craft stuff for the office that I picked up. The rest of the stuff that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, like I said, was like home decor stuff that I picked up from my house. So what I'm going to do now, I have a little bit of admin to do. And then if I have time, it's 12 o'clock now. I have to leave by 2:30 to get the kids from school. So if I have time, I will start this speedball video. All right, you guys, so I'm in the office. Today is Thursday. I'm not going to be doing much today. My internet is actually down. So the hotspot on my phone isn't strong enough for me to be able to kind of use that for all of the devices I wanted to use today. So what I'm going to do is basically just organize. I got a lot of vinyl and transfers and everything going on over here. So I'm just going to kind of organize this little area over here, I guess, for today. Kind of boring. I know I don't have much going on today, like I said, but yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and organize. Hey guys, today is Friday. Quick little story time. I don't have much going on today either. So yesterday when my internet was out, or I said my internet was out, the internet wasn't out. What happened was, this is my router right here. And basically what happened was, we used to have this router at our house, and we ended up getting a new company. This is T-Mobile. We ended up switching to AT&T. So when we did that, I decided I was just going to bring this up here because it was cheaper than the Comcast one that I had. So I canceled out my Comcast, brought this up to my office. Now, Clarence was originally paying for this, and we were supposed to switch it to my name so that I can pay for it under my, my business name. So I kept reminding him, hey, we got to switch to T-Mobile. We got to switch to T-Mobile. Y'all, he kept on forgetting. So for like the last 2 or 3 months, he's been paying for the T-Mobile internet that's been up here at my office. Well, I come in here yesterday and I'm like, why is my internet not working? Like, what is going on? And because it was still in his name, I called him to see if there was like an outage or something. I'm like, can you check your phone or your email to see if there's an outage? He was like, no, there's no outage. I canceled that. I'm like, are you serious? What in the world? So he forgot that I brought the T-Mobile router up here and realized he had been paying for it for 3 months and thought that he was supposed to cancel it and never canceled it. And I was like, no, we were never supposed to cancel it. We were supposed to switch it to my name. So essentially he canceled my internet. So that's why I didn't have internet. But today I went to AT&T, got a new internet. So I am, or should be, back up and running now. But now I'm going to have to connect a million devices to my internet. But nonetheless, that's what I'm doing today. Is I just spent basically all morning getting that. It's now 1 o'clock and I have to go get Zay or all the kids from school in a little bit. So what I'm doing now is I'm literally just setting up my internet, and then that'll be it for today. Y'all, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I know this week probably wasn't, that fun. I didn't have a lot going on, but I tried to, again, this is kind of like the life of a craft entrepreneur type vlog series, behind the scenes stuff that I'm doing all the time. I know a lot of people seem to be interested in like my everyday life and stuff like that. While I'm not gonna get too personal or anything like that, I just appreciate y'all for watching the vlog. But that's all I have for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. Until next time, peace.